NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has followed upon observations by the Hubble Space Telescope of the farthest star ever detected in very distant universe. This star was formed within the first billion years after the Big Bang. Webb's NIRCam or near-infrared camera instrument reveals the star to be a massive B-type star more than twice as hot as our Sun and about 1,000,000 times more luminous. This is the Universe Factory, and today we are talking about how Webb has revealed the colors of a most distant ever star detected in the observable universe. Before we start, if you are constantly curious about the space and the universe, this channel is right for you. So subscribe and press the bell icon next to it so that you won't miss any future uploads. Connect with us on social media platforms, links to which have been mentioned in the description. Be sure to check out. The star in this video that we are talking about is named as Earendel. It is so far away that it appears to be as a point to Webb telescope, despite a massive gravitational lens between the star and the telescope. Earendel was a star discovered by the Hubble Space Telescope in 2022, and it is the most distant and earliest known star. It is twice as hot as our Sun, and it probably has a stellar companion. Don't forget to check out a dedicated video that we had posted on Arendelle and its discovery. You can watch it here. This star is located in the Sunshine Arc galaxy in Cetus constellation, and Hubble was able to spot it thanks to a phenomenon known as gravitational lensing. Gravitational lensing occurs when a massive celestial body, such as a galaxy cluster, causes a sufficient curvature of space-time for the path of light around it to be visibly bent as if by a lens. The body causing the light to curve is accordingly called as a gravitational lens. The galaxy cluster named as WHL 013708 is located between us and Earendel, and it is so massive that it warps the fabric of space itself. This produces a magnifying effect, allowing us to look through the cluster like a magnifying glass. Hubble told us that Earendel is the earliest and most distant star at a co-moving distance of 28 billion light years away. This distance is measured by considering the expansion of the universe. The light from Earendel reached Earth 12.9 billion years later. Webb's observation tells us that Earendel is a spectral type B star and likely to have a mass of between 50 and 100 solar masses. It has the surface temperature of around 20,000 degrees Celsius and around 600,000 and 1,000,000 times brighter than our Sun. Another set of observations by Webb shows that Earendel is not alone. It does have a cooler and redder companion. Webb's NIRCam also shows other notable details in the Sunrise Arc, which is the most highly magnified galaxy yet detected in the universe's first billion years. Features include both young star-forming regions and older established star clusters as small as 10 light years across. On either side of the wrinkle of maximum magnification, which runs right through the Earendel, these features are mirrored by the distortion of the gravitational lens. The region-forming star appears elongated and is estimated to be less than 5 million years old. Smaller dots on either side of the Earendel are two images of one older, more established star cluster estimated to be at least 10 million years old. Astronomers concluded this star cluster is gravitationally bound and likely to persist until the present day. This shows us how the globular clusters in our own Milky Way might have looked when they formed 13 billion years ago. Astronomers are currently analyzing data from Webb's NIRSpec, that is Near-Infrared Spectrograph Instrument observations of the Sunrise Arc galaxy and Earendel. This will provide precise composition and distinct measurement for the galaxy. Since Hubble's discovery of Earendel, Webb has detected other very distant stars using this technique, though none of quite as far as Earendel itself. The discoveries have opened a new doorway into the universe to stellar physics and new subject matter to scientists studying the early universe, where once galaxies were the smallest detectable cosmic objects. The research team has cautious hope that this could be a step toward the ultimate detection of one of the very first generation of stars that were composed only of the raw ingredients of the universe created in the Big Bang, hydrogen and helium. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching these exciting observations that Webb has done. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new, something interesting. Like and share this video with your friends and fellow astro enthusiasts. Don't miss to subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification, as we are going to post more and more amazing stuff like this in future. If you have any suggestions, if you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to post them in the comments below. Meanwhile, watch these suggested videos as well that we have posted on the channel. We will be back with yet another super interesting video for you soon. Till then, keep looking up.